Welcome back to my channel, and today is PRTuesdays, and I'm so excited because on PRTuesdays I unpack packages that were sent to me. So today I'm going to be unpackaging this package right here. And I'm so excited about this package because it's like a brand that I totally love, and like I feel like they're like a classic brand. Like I definitely remember when I definitely remember being younger and going into like Rite Aid or Walgreens, Dwayne Reed, and like seeing this brand. So like the fact that like this is like my first PR package by this brand, girl, like seriously, like girl, I am like so excited, and I'm so like thankful, and yeah, it's just amazing. So thank you for all the supporters who have watched my video, and I'm just so excited, and thank you for this package, and I'm just like, yay, like this is how it looks, and I'm so excited because this PR package is like just like for last PRTuesdays. So there's like 2 videos, which I'm probably gonna put out the other video today. If not, I'll put it out next week. It's just like the timing of things as far as like when I can post certain products that I receive. So you know the drill. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And my name is Jasmine, and everyone calls me Jazzilulu. And so got my scissors, and here we go. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. I'm so excited because like, oh, it's so beautiful. I'm going to show you how it looks. Ready? 1, 2. Yes, I got sent this by Milani, and I'm just like so excited because like when I was younger, I've always like loved this brand. So Milani sent me this PR package, and that's how it looks, and this is what's inside. So like let's get right into it. So here goes the paper. Let's see. And I'm just so excited, and I guess I'll just read the paper that came in the PR package, and it says, "Dear reviewer, thank you for taking part in the Milani Cosmetics review and sampling program. After receiving, we asked you to write about this experience." So I'm just like so excited, and then it says, "The sample is yours. We hope you enjoy it. Thanks again. Sincerely, Milani Cosmetics." And I just want to say, oh my gosh, thank you so much, Milani. So I'm gonna get right into it. I am so excited because this just got released, and it's like a new product that just got released, yes, like this summer. So when I got the word that I was definitely going to be a person who received this palette, I was just like, I know which one I'm gonna pick. And so yeah, here it goes, the Milani Cosmetics Gilded Jade palette. So this is how it looks in the front, and this is how it looks in the back. And it says Milani Gilded Jade Hyperpigmented Eye and Face Palette. And on the back it says Rich Jade Earth Tone Neutral, and that's a hard word to say, erythral. Yeah, I guess I am saying that right. It just feels weird to my tongue. Erythral shimmers, undeniably gilded. Mirror included. So yeah, when I found out that I was going to be like picked for this, it comes in like 3. So it's like the Gilded Jade, and then it has like a purple one, and then it has like an orange one. I was just like, I want the green one because like I have like so many, purple is my favorite color, but I have like so many purples. So I was just like, girl, do something different. And when I saw this, it just like really inspired me, because like I'm so into like spirituality and nature and health and all of these things. So when I saw these colors, it just reminded me of like nature, the ocean, which is one of my favorite things, and like the universe. So yeah, it reminded me of the trees, the ocean, and the universe, and like the landscape of like, I want to just say like the sky, the mountains, the deserts. It's just so beautiful. So anyway, yeah, like I'm gonna open it. Let me open this side. That's nicely packaged. And this came all the way from Los Angeles. So yeah, I'm like so excited because like, yeah, Cali girl in the house. That's like one of my hometowns. So I took it out, and it's like this, and then boop, there you go. This is how it looks. Look how beautiful this is. Doesn't it just look like a beautiful ray of just like health and beauty? Like this reminds me, I don't know if you know what the chakras are, but this reminds me of the heart chakra. And when I saw this, I was just like, look at this beautiful electric energy of green. And I was like, girl, thank you, Milani, for picking me. And I knew I was gonna choose this one. Okay, here we go. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh, this mirror is so amazing. And in it, on the mirror, it says, "We are Milani." So I'm gonna actually cover the mirror so there won't be like a bright glare. So I'm gonna cover the mirror with the paper. Look, this is how it looks. How beautiful is this pan? Like, look how beautiful these colors are. So yeah, like the green one is called Jaded. The blue one that is so the green one that's called Jaded, that's like definitely matte shadow. The blue one, it has like, it looks like the universe, and it's like, is this like, it looks like it has iridescence of blues and purples and golds. And then there's another green color that's called mint julep, and if you don't know what that is, that's like a popular drink many Jewish people drink. Yeah, the first time I had a mint julep, it was when I was working for a lawyer. Yeah, and he told me what it was. And then the other blue color is called That's Deep, and it's like a rich blue, a really rich blue oceanic color, and then there's Gilded, which is like this beautiful bright gold, and then there's Try Me, which is like, it looks like yellow gold with like an undertone of like a light green. Then there's this beautiful rich reddish brown color called Edible, and then another just like gold called the Envy Of, and another brown which is called Grounded, and that's like a light beautiful brown, which is like a base color. And then there's these like highlights right here. One is called Amber Glow and the other one is called Aura. So look, I love the names, so beautiful. I love the colors. I absolutely love the packaging, and the fact that like this is like perfect for travel. And like traveling with this, you have like a mirror, which is like, look, that's a nice size mirror, and all of these beautiful colors. You can create like nice looks. So yeah, I'm just like so excited about this, girl. Let's see. I am going to create a look and then I will be right back. So I'm back, and this is the final look. And yeah, I really actually love playing with this palette. I really love the fact again that it has this like beautiful like rich colors of like greens and earth tone colors. It's just like so beautiful. And again, like I really love the decals of this palette. Look how beautiful the graphics are. It's just like a burst of beautiful green vibrant energy. It's just like this palette is literally like money honey. So yeah, I had so much fun playing in this palette. Definitely my favorites were Mint Julep. I really love Lagoon because it just looks like, in the actual pan it looks like dark, but then like it has this beautiful shimmers of purple and green and blue and gold. And then Try Me is like a color that necessarily I haven't ever tried before, but just the fact of the name being Try Me, it's just like I actually tried it. And Try Me is like right here. It's like beautiful green color in the cove of my eye. I have hooded eyes, so it's like I have to go like this, because if I don't, just like the fatness from my eye, it's like overfolds and you can't see the detail of everything. Like if I'm just like this, you can't see it, but I have to go like this so you can see like all the color and the detail. Yeah, and I also had fun with these highlighters. I'm so in love with Aura and Amber Glow. Look how beautiful. Aura and Amber Glow right here and right here. The big pans are highlighters and the small ones are eyeshadow. So like, yeah, I had so much fun playing in this palette and creating this look. I actually was inspired by a picture that I had saw, and I just really wanted to do like a beautiful green cut crease. So I definitely did that. And I used my e.l.f. concealer, and I used the color of Tan Latte, and then I used Mint Julep inside, so like right here. And I really love the formula of these shadows, and they go on like really easy, and it's just like so rich and just like creamy shadows. And the fact that like there is like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes and 4 shimmers. It's just like, yeah, I had so much fun with this palette and creating this look. I want it to be like ultra dramatic. And girl, look at this highlight. And I also highlighted my Cupid's bow, like right here. The Cupid's bow is highlighted with the color of Amber Glow. And then under, right here, it is Aura. So yeah, all of these palettes are actually now available at Milani.com. And like I said, there are 4 different colors. And I'm just so excited because this look is everything. Girl, do you see? Like, look. Yeah, so yeah, I just created this look and it's just like so beautiful. It's like green is like money, yeah, and gold, so it's just like money and honey. So yeah, I definitely had so much fun creating this look, and I just definitely wanted to do something that was just very fun and very inspired by the 70s, because like I wasn't alive during the 70s, but like I just love like the music and the style. And like one of my favorite person from the 70s and the 80s is like Pam Grier. So I just really wanted to like do my hair like Pam Grier, and I wanted like a beautiful 70s inspired look and feel. So yeah, this is how it's looking. If this was the 70s, like this would be like perfect for the disco. But yeah, like thank you so much, Milani, for choosing me, and thank you so much for sending me this beautiful Gilded palette. I have just like nothing but good things to say about this. It's just like, from the packaging, it's just like amazing, and like when you touch it you can like feel the texture of it. Like I love the fact it's green and it's gold. It's like an explosion of color, like when I see this, and the fact that the mirror says like we are Milani. I love that, and I love that like the names of the shadows are like on top of the pans, so that's really cool. And I love the fact like of how the back is. So yeah, thank you for watching, and like, share, comment, and subscribe. Definitely, what do I want to know? Like, what is your favorite movie from the 70s, or if you have a favorite actor or actress from the 70s? And if you were alive during the 70s, like, what did you like to do? Because like I love to see it in movies, but I wasn't alive during then. But yeah, like definitely I have an affinity towards the 70s and like that whole like vibe. I'm like more of like a spiritual hippie type of Erykah Badu-ish kind of girl. That's like my whole vibe. Yeah, like I'm jazzy. So like, yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.